today, and election has done. Kakatapos lang yung elections and marami nang na-proclaim na mga winners, including yung mga sa local na tumatakbo. So, I think may mga bagong nanalo. Bago talaga. So, I think life must go on and wish them and pray for them na gaganda yung government, pamamalakad nila. And let's all support them. Kahit hindi natin sila binoto or binoto man natin sila, the best thing that we can do is support them. Actually guys, kanina while I'm going sa office, ang tahimik talaga ng daan, walang traffic, siguro because of kakatapos lang ng election and still counting yung mga tao nasa andun pa sa kandidato or sa offices ng mga candidates, nag-aabang kung sino talaga or kung nananalo talaga yung candidates nila. Ayun, early naman ako sa office and then see my work, diba? See my work. And I have a productive day today. Kaso, pagod na lang. But still go on sa life, guys. Ang daming thankful nga tayo kasi with voting counting machines is all automatic or automated na tayo. So, voting for a day, the results will be the second day. And in a week, ma-proclaim na lahat ng winners basta wala lang mga glitches, guys, no? So, yung lessons lang talaga is we have to prepare yung lessons sa pag-vote para hindi ka na ma-confuse kung sino may boboto. You have to prepare your list para pagpunta mo sa voting precincts. Ano ka na lang agad? Vote ka na lang agad. And also, kahit hindi man nanalo yung gusto mong kandidato, so you also have to support them. Basta maganda yung mga platforms, not only platforms, kasi pwede naman gawin ang platforms pero hindi ginagawa or hindi tinutupad. Support their platforms. They walk the talk. So we're here ngayon sa hotel. Magdi-dinner daw. Actually, gutom na ako, guys. As of this moment, doing the vlogging, I am hungry, but we have to wait for other to come. And then, mamaya magpapasunod. Yun. So much hate, madaming hate comments, madaming hate comments na nababasa mo kasi bakit ito nanalo, bakit ito hindi, bakit ito may glitches. Imbes you will be part of the negative things sa social media, why not be part of the positive things, post positive one, be part of the solution but not the problem, di ba? Para at least good vibes lang, chill lang naman, di ba? And always practical. So, habang while I'm doing my vlog, yung isa kong kasama kumain na siya. But I think siguro, hindi naman siya gutom. Soup lang nga. Alright, guys. You know, meron kasing training next. Tomorrow mag-start. It's all about training on stress and time management. So, yung training na yan, guys, natutunan ko naman. I have a lot of theories, experience, and things to apply para how to manage your stress. Lahat naman tayo sa life na stress. It's on how you deal on your day-to-day stresses para hindi siya maging negative sa'yo. So, i-deal mo siya into positive way para wala ka ng stress. Although may stress pa rin every day. Stress sa work, stress sa mga tao, stress sa pera, stress sa pag-iisip. No? Diba? So, sabi ng friend ko, number 1 daw makaka-stress pag wala kang pera. Bakit daw?
Wala mo lang kalagay sa iyo po.
Okay, sige. Ang naman. My friend is requesting for coffee pero hindi siya kasali sa ni-request
Pagkabukas
for
pa ata
this.
po yung coffee nila.
Hindi naman. Nagkaroon lang kami request ako pwede.
Yun. And thank you so much guys sa panonood ng vlog ko.
Balik ang galing ko lang. Or, yun na lang. Yung
Later na lang.
Makakain na ba?
Later na lang.
Pag ano na lang pagdating na yung
Sige.
kasi ang full time namin is pero
Nagtatanong yung staff if yung cover ng food. Tanggalin na siya or hindi. Pusa lang. But anyways guys, maraming salamat sa panonood ng vlog ko. I am so much happy. Kahit konti lang ba, I'm striving. I'm always giving my best to have a talking vlog on my day. Very raw, no editing and everything, but I'm happy. This vlog, yung pagbablog ko kasi is one way of relieving my stress in life. Charot! Stress in life and also practicing my public speaking skills. Pag nakikita ko kasi ang mukha ko, ang expression ng mukha ko, pero bakla ang boses. Diba? Ano pa siya? Yeah, it's first day, pero hindi pa naman mag-o taking. Although na-proclaim na yung mga nanalo sa election, but they have until, I think, July 1 pa ang bagong uupong mga nanalo. Then, yung current na mga officers until June 30 pa yung magtatrabaho sila. So, sa mga natalo, they have to vacate their office, endorse yung kung anong dapat i-endorse for the next na kung sinong nanalo uupo dun sa kanyang office. Yung endorsement. I hope yung transition, it will be good. Wala masyadong away. Kasi nakakita nyo kahapon guys, sa Barm area, I think hindi yun sa town, like Basilan, Lanao, Maguindanao, nag-aawayan talaga. Yun yung pagboto pa lang, nagbabarilan, ano. Let's not dwell on that. Dapat kasi educated ang mga voters and yung mismo yung mga tumatakbo dapat hindi mag-ganon, hindi magsusort sa kasi gusto niya maintain or ayaw niyang umalis sa posisyon niya, ganunin niya, hindi paboto ang tao, takutin, ganun yun. Let's have a very fair election. So far naman guys, yung mga vote counting machines and the things, yung mga glitches, hindi binabasa or may mga overvoting, undervoting, that's normal for like that. Pero siguro hindi naman mga 10% or 2 to 3% lang yung mga errors. So far, it's successful. Alright. Okay. Siguro until here na lang guys. See you on my next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.